Schlage smart locks are generally reliable, but sometimes they fail to connect to the Schlage Home app due to Bluetooth or Wi Fi issues. Common culprits include Bluetooth pairing failures, Wi Fi congestion, outdated firmware, or environmental factors. Firmware glitches can also cause connectivity problems, as seen in the 2025 recall of certain encode models. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your lock connected. To initiate the connection, you'll need to put your Schlage lock into pairing mode. Locate the Schlage button on your lock, usually a triangle icon. Press and hold this button until the keypad illuminates. This signals that the lock is ready for Bluetooth discovery by the Schlage Home app. Make sure your phone is within 10 to 15 feet of the lock during this process. Bluetooth issues are a common cause of connectivity problems. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and that it's not connected to other devices that might interfere. Check that your phone isn't connected to other devices that might interfere with pairing. Try clearing the cache for the Schlage Home app. If the app still can't find the lock, try resetting the lock by holding the Schlage button for 10 seconds. Also, temporarily disable any VPNs during the pairing process. Keeping your Schlage lock's firmware up to date is crucial for resolving connectivity bugs and security vulnerabilities. The Schlage Home app typically handles firmware updates automatically via Wi-Fi. Check the app settings for firmware update options and ensure your lock is connected to Wi-Fi during the update process. Some updates require you to be physically near the lock. Wi-Fi congestion and interference can disrupt the connection between your Schlage Wi-Fi lock and the app. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is functioning correctly and that the lock is within range of the Wi-Fi signal. Avoid placing the lock near devices that emit strong radio frequencies, such as microwaves or other 2.4 GHz devices. Consider optimizing your Wi-Fi network by changing the channel, or upgrade to a mesh network. Schlage locks are increasingly adopting the Matter smart home protocol, improving interoperability with ecosystems like Google Home and Apple HomeKit. If your lock supports Matter, ensure it's properly integrated into your smart home setup. This can often resolve connectivity issues by creating a more stable and unified connection across your smart devices. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your Schlage lock still won't connect to the app, there may be a hardware fault. In such cases, contact a professional locksmith or Schlage support for assistance. DIY fixes can sometimes make problems worse, so expert help ensures the issue is resolved safely and effectively.